Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're focusing on qualitative analysis, validity, and reliability. If you want to strengthen the rigor in your qualitative work, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's discuss coding and thematic analysis. Coding is the process of categorizing and labeling raw data to identify patterns and themes. It involves breaking down data, like interview transcripts, into meaningful chunks and assigning codes to these segments. Thematic analysis goes a step further by identifying and analyzing themes or patterns within the codes. For example, if you're studying patient experiences in healthcare, you might code for recurring themes like communication, wait times, and empathy. By organizing and interpreting these themes, you can gain deep insights into the data. Next, let's talk about validity and reliability in qualitative research. Validity refers to the accuracy and trustworthiness of your findings. It's about ensuring that your research truly reflects the reality you're studying. Reliability, on the other hand, refers to the consistency of your research methods and findings over time. Techniques like triangulation, member checking, and thick description can help enhance both validity and reliability. For instance, triangulation involves using multiple data sources or methods to cross-verify results, while member checking allows participants to review and confirm the accuracy of your interpretations. Now let's discuss researcher bias and reflexivity. Researcher bias occurs when the researcher's personal beliefs, values, or experiences influence the research process and findings. Reflexivity involves the researcher being aware of and reflecting on their biases and how these might affect the research. It's a continuous process of self-examination and critical reflection. For example, if you're studying patient satisfaction, being aware of your own healthcare experiences and how they might shape your perspective is crucial. Documenting your reflections and discussing them transparently in your research can help mitigate bias and enhance the credibility of your work. Finally, let's examine ethical considerations and interpretation. Ethical considerations are vital when interpreting qualitative data to ensure respect and integrity in your research. This includes maintaining participant confidentiality, being transparent about your interpretations, and avoiding misrepresentation of the data. For instance, when presenting findings from sensitive interviews, it's important to anonymize participant details and faithfully represent their perspectives without distortion. Adhering to ethical guidelines ensures that your research is conducted responsibly and respectfully. By mastering these aspects of qualitative analysis and focusing on validity, reliability, and ethical considerations, you'll be able to conduct rigorous qualitative research that stands up to scrutiny and provides valuable insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.